I welcome class 4 student to this computer subject. This is class 4, subject is computer, and title of the chapter is features of file management. Students, in this chapter we will learn about creating a file, creating a folder, copying a file and folder, renaming file folder, moving a file or folder, deleting a file or folder, restoring a file or folder, and some work ethics. So students, in previous classes we see and we know what is a file and what is a folder. Now let us recap this. The information is stored in a file, and all related files are clubbed inside a folder. So we can say that a folder is like a file cabinet, and arranging file in it makes it easier to locate and access. A folder can contain many files. A folder can contain other folders also, and a folder within a folder is called a subfolder. So let us start this chapter and let us see how to go ahead with the file management. First point in this system is how to create a file. Now you have to do many methods. There are many methods in Word available, so you can do any of the method, like either you can right click or you can go to start. Students, let me go ahead and show you another technique. If I write here WORD, you can see it will create a file. You can see Microsoft Word file is created. You can see this is the file. So this was the first method to create a file, and let us see second method. So I have actually created a folder for you, and let me go ahead and open the folder. Right click on any blank space. You can see right click, go to new, and you can go here. Let me show this step once again. Right click, go to new, and go to this. Now you can see new Microsoft Word document is created. Now let us see, and let us give some name to it. Let us give this a name of June, 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 and press enter. You can see our file with name June is created. Now let us go to our next point in the study. We have to create a folder also, so we can also create a folder, but before that let us open the file with name June. This is June, so I am going to double click it. You can see here file is opening. So now as we have opened the file, let me write here something. Now I am writing my name is June. You can see my name is June. I have written my name is June. Now how to save this file? We will go to file, click on file, and click on save. Now you can see my name is June is written. Let me close the file and reopen the file. Double click on the file, and you can see file is opening again. Let us wait. So you can see my name is June is written because we have saved the file. Now students, our second point here is how to create a folder. Technique is same. Right click on blank area shortcut menu appear. Click on new and click on folder and type a name for the folder and press enter key. So let me go ahead in this folder and you can see, right click, go to new and to folder. Now let me show you again, right click, new and folder. Click on folder, you can see new folder created. Now let me go ahead and give this name June and press enter. You can see here we have created the folder called June. Now students, let us see how to copy a file or a folder. Double click on any drive icon and select copy. You can see select copy and press paste. Now students, let me show you this operation again. Suppose we have to go to this location. I am going here and this file is called June. I have clicked on June, right click and you can see I have clicked on copy. Let me go ahead, click this folder and again I will right click and paste. You can see we have this blank area, no file is there. Now I will paste it. File is being copied. You can see we have this June file here. Let me open this file to check that this is okay or not. You can see file is opening. Now my name is June, so we have successfully opened this file. So we have done this. Now students, let us see about the renaming of file. So right click on a file or folder, rename option is chosen and press enter key. So let us go ahead and rename our file. I am opening the folder. This is the folder called June. Right click and going on rename, we can see rename. Click here and now let us give this file name July, July and press enter. You can see I have pressed enter. So June folder is now July. Similarly, let me go ahead and change the name of this folder. So right click, rename. So I will write July and enter. You can see the name changes to July. Earlier it was June. Now let us see how to move a file or move a folder. So students, let me go ahead and click on July. Now click here. How to move? We have to click on cut. I have cut here. I will go here and I will actually paste here. Now this was July. Let us see if July is present at original location. We can see there is no July. You can see here. Now let me go ahead and create a folder for transfer. Now let me give ahead. The name is Feb, F-E-B. Now we have another folder called Feb. Let me go ahead and move this folder. Process is same. Right click, cut, open this folder and paste. You can see Feb folder is here. Now let me check. You can see we have no Feb folder. So students, we have successfully moved a file and a folder. Now next operation is deleting a folder. Now let us see how this is done. So select the file or folder you want to delete, click on delete and choose permanently delete. Now students, let us go ahead and try to permanently delete a folder. So let us see. I am going to this folder and here also. Now I am going to this June and you can see here there is an option of delete. So I am clicking here. I am choosing permanently delete. You can see I have clicked. Now it is asking for confirmation. I am clicking yes. Okay. Now students, let me go ahead and check this recycle bin folder. You can see I have actually no folder by the name of June. Now students, this is actually recycle bin. So let me go ahead and do not delete temporarily. So I am going to this July folder and I am creating another file called copy of July. Now students, you will see July copy is created. Students, I am clicking on simple delete. I am clicking yes. You can see copy of July is not here. So I am going to my recycle bin. You can see recycle bin is here. Now I am right clicking and I am trying to restore it. Click on restore. You can see file is gone. So let us see here. You can see July copy again present. So we can say that we can delete a file permanently or temporarily. Now we have to restore a file from recycle bin. I have just shown you how to do this. Now let us see and let me go ahead and show you once again. Let me select this file and this file. I have selected both the file and click on delete. You can see delete. It is asking delete to item. I will click yes. You can see file is not here. So let me go ahead and check the recycle bin property. Now you can see both files are here. So I am selecting both the files and clicking on restore. You can see restore, file has been restored. Let me go ahead and show you. You can see. So students, this is basic operation every student should know. Next topic in this chapter is work ethics. Work ethics means certain good things we should follow. While working in a computer lab, we should follow these rules. We should not open the files and folders created by another person, and if we are opening them, please ask for their permission. We should avoid copying other person's work because this is criminal activity, and we should also not try to tamper or disturb other file and folder because other persons were involved in the creation of those files. So students, they are work ethics we should follow. Now students, as you can see, this was very easy 2-page chapter, and I have written all the question answer for you. You can see. So go ahead and do your writing work. We will again meet with new session, new video. Till then,